Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and I've got a paper pump. No, it's Stampin' Up. I've been so wrapped up in the $5 paper pumpkin. If you didn't get yours, unfortunately the $5 promotion is over, but you could still get your paper pumpkin each month. We're currently signing up for the June paper pumpkin. It looks like it's got lots of nice little florals. So let me go ahead and show you what I've got. We've got lots of paper because I'm going to be packing the paper promotion. So I still think I have one, maybe two left, but you can get into that. I'll put a link down below if you wanted to purchase a pack. So you're going to get one sheet of each page. So each pattern, I guess. And they are double-sided. So you will get the one sheet with the pattern on one side and then the pattern on the other side. And this is the Tidings of Christmas. I will open all these. I'm just showing you as an unboxing so you could see all of them. But then tomorrow, after I get them all cut and put into 6x6 pieces, I'll show you each and every one of them front and back. This one, look how pretty. That is called the Sweet Symmetry. So going through each of these. This is the first time I'm seeing it, so I'm excited with you. Can you see that one? That one's called Beauty of the Earth. That one looks kind of like camouflage. This one I love so much. It is called Bloom Where You Are Planted. And look at that. Isn't that so pretty? Oh my goodness. Super adorable. This one is called Pansy Petals. And they've got little pansies on it. I cannot wait. I think, how many designs are there? I don't remember how many different designs. It may be 12. I could be wrong. I could totally be wrong. It doesn't say, does it? It does. 12. Maybe it's 12 pieces of paper, and it is 6 patterns. I don't know. This one's called You're a Peach. I will have more information on this tomorrow. This one is called Hand Penned. So that one is hand drawn, right? That's what hand pen would mean. I'll tell you what, these people who create these designer series papers are lovely. They are so good. This one is called Simply Elegant, and look at that, it's all gold. I cannot wait to see these opened. How about you? Okay, this one has some gold, and at one point you can't see it, and then when the light hits it, you can. And it is called Expressions in Ink, and look at that. Can you see that gold? You see it shimmer when the light hits it correctly? Woo! That is going to be some pretty paper. And then this one is In the Wild. And there we go. So that's the paper that I have. And then of course they're going to come in a 6x6. So you'll get to see that. We'll go over the 6x6s tomorrow. Now this is the 6x6 in color paper. That does not come with it. This is going with the in color club that I'm doing. If you are interested in that, I will also put that in a link down below. It's really cool. You're going to end up with all 5 new in colors. So, and you don't have to pay all at one time, obviously. So it is a 5-month program. And then I'm so excited about this stamp set. I only got the one, but I wanted to make sure I got a new stamp set to show you guys some new stuff. And it is called Watercolor Shapes. Isn't that cool? I am so excited about it. And I don't love watercolor, but I love the shapes. I just simply adore the shapes. And I think this will be really cool to stamp with and make some great backgrounds. So if you are interested in that, please make sure you give me a thumbs up so I know to use that stamp set for you. And I will talk to you later. Make sure you subscribed if you're not yet subscribed, because you're going to want to see the front and back of each of those papers. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.